Okay, we got our head here, and we've got this one set in where we want it to go. So this is screwed in, ready to tighten to our block. We drilled a hole, then we open this up so we can inset our screw in here. I'm going to use an 1 5/8" screw, and we'll put that in here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So now that we got our hinge on here, we're going to set this in here.
It's on a tray. It goes outside, and they roll it out to be in the sunshine and water it, and then when the game's they roll it in. What? Do they grow vegetables on the off-season? They have rutabagas,
We're going to get this set.
some bananas, oddly enough. And then right around August, when the heirlooms are ready, people just know. You're on vacation, actually. Josh has started growing potatoes in his backyard. I don't know. He loves. Oh, yeah. Well, after that incident with Josh and the potatoes at the...
Screw this side in.
Oh, yes.
If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we got that done. So what we're going to have to do is see where we need to sand it a little bit. You can see I need to do it on the sides here, so it doesn't catch on the sides. You want it to be free coming through there. We're also going to put a couple drops of glue in here on this so it doesn't turn on us when we're working it. But that looks pretty good where we want it. Mouth looks pretty decent to how I wanted it to work. So all we have to do is just sand down these sides a little bit, and then we'll have the mouth installed and ready.
In all truth, at one point I had the game on in one room, and I switched to this other room.
Yeah.
Little girls were talking. Please tell me you got different audio, and you were very confused. And I'm not staying in my own home, so I have no idea how to operate the television set.
Yes.
I didn't know that Greg Olson had such good Spanish. It's exactly right.
Okay, so we'll take this back out, sand those sides down, and then our mouth should be in good shape. Thanks for watching.